Hi guys, my name is Jeff Puckett, and I am doing my introduction video for our trauma class. I am currently in my second semester of first field internship as a homeless outreach case manager, um, and that has been going really well. And I've come into a lot of situations that dive deep into crisis um, in that population. For my actual job, I am the senior services case manager for the senior department within the same organization, and it's potentially where I'll be doing my second field placement as well. And in that, I work with populations 60 and older in a whole array of different needs. Um, so I think that when it comes to crisis, anywhere you fall in the social work field or career path, you're always going to encounter crisis, always on a daily basis. And even though it may not be crisis comparable to something you would consider crises, many people deal with different things in different ways. And so something that may not be as significant to us will most certainly be crisis potential for somebody else. And so we always have to keep that in mind. In regards to, let's see, with this being my first day of my second semester of first field internship, um, I work with a lot of mental health situations, and I'm learning from this first field placement that with mental health in the homeless population, that many don't get the medications that they may need to help balance them out in a neutral way. And if they do get the medications, they're very hesitant to take them because many in this realm self medicate in other ways with illegal substances, with alcohol, with marijuana. Um, so when working with those people, I see quite often that something can very easily feel like a crisis to them. You know, it could be something as small as they didn't get their check on time, or they don't have transportation to get to court or to get to an appointment with the county department or something to that effect. And although that might seem somewhat minuscule to us, it very much so is a crisis situation for them because everything in their reality is triggered by that, and it tends to throw off the balance. And when one thing throws off the balance in our lives, as we know, everything is off. And okay, so back to the other questions. What are three things that I would indulge self-care wise for myself during this next semester? I like to hike a lot. I like to get out and hike mountains. I hike the coast. I hike the river. So that's one thing. I very much so enjoy kayaking, so I like to do that frequently on my downtime, which is not as often as I'd like due to school and interning and working full time and home and being a parent and whatnot. Um, Another thing I do that's cheap and easy is just spa day, at home. My partner and I will put on a funny movie. We'll do pedicures, manicures, we'll do facial scrubs, we'll do, all kinds of things just to kind of help rejuvenate us and make us feel a little bit more physically self-appreciated. Um, but it doesn't even have to be something of that nature. Self-care can be giving yourself 5 minutes before jumping in the shower in the morning and just meditate for a minute. I also like to do that before bed. I like to kind of reflect on my day and see where I felt I could have done differently or better. And then, at least I've gone through the motions of it to where if that situation comes up again, I might have a better idea on my approach and outcomes. So anyway, I look forward to meeting many of you as well as the instructor. I'm sure many of us have been in several classes in the past. So anyway, here's to the new semester, and talk to you guys soon.